Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability setups. Today we're looking at GBP CHF for our chart to be exact. Right. So what I'm seeing is that I noticed that there's a very nice overlap level here. Right. More specifically, somewhere about over here. Right. This level. Why is it such a strong level? It's because price has reacted off it in the past, bounced off it, right? Bounced off it and reacted off it and finally broke out. Okay, considering all of that, along with that price, if you draw a descending resistance line, it looks like might have broken out from here. Right, we could be seeing a pretty nice break, a bullish breakout. Right, so just to be safe, you don't want to play the move too far away. Right, you can play the move maybe to about 61 is quite close. Maybe you play to the 78.6 level, which was previously a pretty strong level in the past, right? So you could play the move up to here. It's a pretty strong move here. All right. So our entry would ideally be somewhere about here. This would be our entry, right? So looking to play the bullish move up from here all the way to the top. So if this is really the breakout that we expect it to be, our stop loss, we can keep it pretty tight, right? We don't expect it to reverse. We expect it to just shoot up all the way. All right. Yeah. So ideally, this is what we're looking at. Yeah. Stop loss here. Pretty simple move, right? I really like the breakout of this graphical overlap level, the descending resistance, right? So it does look like price might make a recovery up to the 125.40 level with our entry at 124.23, right? So remember, guys, as with all of these trades, remember exercise caution, exercise risk management before you trade, right? And if you have any requests for me to look at any pairs, just send it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to look at them. Otherwise, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.